Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechvideo.com. Today I am going to show you how to watch Windows Server 2016 restriction from client server. So before I discuss already how can set restriction on user, also how can restrict removable media and pen drive and memory card, how can disable also. So how can hide hard disk from user workstation when login? Then this user that user cannot find hard disks, and also hide run menu. So now I am going to show you our setting restriction goodly working or not. So now you see I am administrator, but when I go run, see, then call the operation has been cancelled due to restriction. In effect, this computer, please contact your system administrator, because when I restriction set, I also set on administrator. Why I set administrator? Because I want to show you how to work this one already work or not. So later next episode I will show you how to filtering user restriction, and if I want to, you have company 100 employee and I want to some people give access this removable media disk, then I can give. If I want to someone not give to access this removable media or hard disks, and I want to set restriction, I can set. So you see, also I am login. This is my main server. I am server administrator. I login by administrator user password. Also see, hide my hard disks from here. You so before I showing you like this hard disk hiding. So now my this main server working means another server also working. So like this way, when you log in from workstation, then you cannot find hard disks, cannot go to run and access. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. Next lesson I will show you how can restriction filtering and remove administrator, give access administrator and specific user how to give access this hard disks or removable disks. So if you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.